All right, in this video, we're going to simplify these exponential expressions over here. And we're basically going to do the exponents first and then multiplications and divisions next. So this is about a medium difficulty, easy to medium difficulty question. Not the easiest, but definitely not tough questions either. So let's get started. This first one here, I'm going to start by distributing this exponent into the bracket. Make sure to distribute to both terms by multiplying exponents. So 1 times a negative 1 is just p to the negative 1, and 2 times negative 1 is q to the negative 2. So we're multiplying there. And now all the terms are multiplying. So we're going to add the exponents for the like terms. So for the p terms, it's negative 1 plus 3, which is positive 2. And for the q term, it's negative 2 plus 3, which is positive 1. So I'm just going to write it as q, because that's q to the power of 1. Same idea, I'm going to distribute this exponent to the top and the bottom. I'm going to multiply both exponents by negative 2. It's going to become x to the negative 6 divided by y to the negative 2. Now, we're not allowed negative exponents in our final solution. So this x is going to move the denominator, and the y is going to move the numerator to make the exponents positive. So my final solution is y2 divided by x6. Similar idea here, I'm going to distribute this negative 2 into both the exponents. I'm going to multiply both the exponents by negative 2. So I have a negative 2, b negative 2 divided by b5. And then I can combine these two b terms. Because it's division, I'm going to do subtraction. So I have a negative 2, and negative 2 minus 5 is negative 7. And now I'm not allowed negative exponents in my final solution, so I'm going to have to simplify this. Both of these are going to move to the denominator because they both have negative exponents. So my final answer is 1 over a squared b7. Okay, fourth question here. I'm going to start working with the exponent again and distribute this, multiply both my exponents by 2. So top stays the same, and bottom becomes m6 and negative 4. Now I want to combine by division, so I'm going to subtract it. So 2 minus 6 is negative 4, and 2 minus negative 4, that's 2 plus 4, which is 6. Not allowed a negative exponent over here, so I'm going to move the n term to the bottom and make the exponent positive. Fifth question here, I'm going to distribute both these two exponents into the two brackets to begin with. So it becomes w4 x squared divided by x negative 2, w cubed stays the same. Now we can combine. So 4 minus 3 is just 1, and 2 minus negative 2, that's 2 plus 2, which is 4. So my final solution is wx4. And last question over here, there's a lot of different ways you can actually do this question. I'm just going to start by simplifying the inside of the bracket first. I'm going to distribute this negative 1 into these two. It's going to become a to the negative 1, b to the negative 1, divided by a squared, b to the negative 3. This is all to the exponent of negative 2. Now I'll combine the a's and the b's inside the bracket. So negative 1 minus 2 is negative 3. And negative 1 minus negative 3, that's negative 1 plus 3, which is positive 2. And now I'll distribute this exponent into this bracket. So I have a to the 6, b to the negative 4. I multiplied there. And last step is I just have to make this a positive exponent. So my final solution is a6 divided by b4.